Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Binance. First, visit the official Binance website or download their mobile application. Look for the Register or Sign Up button to begin. You can choose to register using your email address or mobile phone number. Remember to create a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. This initial step is quick and straightforward. Next, you'll need to complete identity verification, also known as KYC. This involves providing your full legal name, date of birth, and residential address. You will then upload a clear photo of a valid government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. Finally, complete a quick facial verification scan. Binance typically reviews these documents within a few minutes to a few hours, ensuring compliance and security for all users. After verification, securing your account is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using Google Authenticator or SMS. This adds an extra layer of protection. Also, set up an anti-phishing code to help identify legitimate emails from Binance. Consider creating a withdrawal whitelist for trusted addresses. Regularly reviewing your security settings and account activity will help keep your funds safe and secure. With your account secure, it's time to fund it. Navigate to the Wallet section and select Deposit. You can choose to deposit cryptocurrency or fiat currency. Follow the clear instructions to transfer funds from your bank account, debit card, or another crypto wallet. For cryptocurrency deposits, always double-check that you are using the correct deposit address and network to prevent any loss of funds. You are now ready to trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.